Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about comparison operators in Python. Okay, so what are the comparison operators in Python? So comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result, either true or false. And this is the list of the comparison operators. So here, this is equal to, and this is not equal to, and this one is greater than, and this one is less than, and this one is greater than or equal to, and this one is less than or equal to. Okay, let's look at some examples. So example number one is check if device is reachable. So in here, so in this example, we are using equal to. So we are assigning the string reachable to a variable called device status. And we are saying that, we are checking if reachable is equal to device status. So this should return true because we know that device status is reachable. So let me just get into the IPython interpreter. Okay, so and just copy and paste this line of code. Yeah, so it returned true. And example number two is check for firmware version mismatch. So here, this means that this is not equal to. So we know that current version is this and required version is this. And we are checking if they are mismatched. So this should return true because we know that current version and required version are different. Yeah. And example number three is compare device uptime. So we are using greater than sign here. So we are just assigning this integer to this device uptime variable, and we are checking if device uptime is greater than 30. So this will return true because we know that uptime 45 is greater than 30. And example number four is to verify low latency. So let's say we are verifying the latency here and we are using the less than sign. Okay, so latency is 20, max latency is 50, and we are checking if latency is less than max latency. So this should return true because latency is less than 50. Okay, example number five, validate active interfaces. We are using greater than or equal to in this example. So we are checking if active interfaces is greater than or equal to required interfaces. So active interfaces are 3 and required interfaces are 2. So this should return true because active interfaces are 3. So if either one of this is true, that's going to be true. And example number six is we are verifying if latency is within acceptable limits. So we are using greater than, we are using less than or equal to in this example. So this should return true because latency, which is 90, is less than the acceptable latency, which is 100. Okay, so those are examples of the comparison operators in Python. So again, comparison operators are used to compare two values, return a Boolean result, either true or false. Okay, so that's all I want to cover in this video. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.